हेलो एवरीवन। अगर आप लोगों को अपनी बॉडी में नेक टेंशन फील हो रहा है, ट्रैप्स ब्लॉक्ड फील हो रही है, तो आप ये एक्सरसाइजेस फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस सो दैट आपको यहाँ पे बहुत लाइट एंड फ्लेक्सिबल फील हो।
You can sit on a mat or in a chair, whatever feels best. Let's begin and start with big shoulder circles forward and back. You can repeat this 5 times forward and 5 times back. Notice how they feel. Hands resting on the thighs. Take a deep breath. Soften any tension and lengthen the spine. Notice how they feel. Then fingertips to shoulders, circling elbows to loosen them up. Cross the right leg in front. Inhale, arms up. Right arm over left, fingers interlaced. Reach arm up, then bend elbows back, repeating a few times. Hold. Then twist the right hand, releasing hands into the twist. Drop left ear to left shoulder for a neck stretch, turning head slightly to find the right spot. Fold forward over the legs, then rise back up. Place right hand down, stretch left arm overhead into a side bend, then let the neck relax with gentle head and hand work. Switch legs and repeat everything on the other side. Thank you. Namaste.